Alright, hello and welcome back to the channel. Good day. If you clicked on this video, you are probably looking to self-custody your Qubic on a wallet outside of an exchange. And if you've been in the Web3 game long enough, or even if you're new, you should know that that's one of the most important pillars of security. Alright, for your Web3 tokens. So we're gonna go through in this video step by step on how to secure your Qubic on your web wallet. All right, so let's get into it. All right, the first thing you're gonna want to do is Google Qubic wallet. All right, the next thing you're gonna want to do is click at this. It should be the first thing that pops up. Make sure you check the link, make sure it's correct, because you don't want to get screwed by some scammer or virus, malware, something like that. All right, so you should come to wallet.qubic.org/public. All right, and it should look like this. All right, to use this wallet, you must either create or import your existing vault. This will contain your public private key, which afterwards is used to encrypt or decrypt your data. Alright, so if you already have a wallet, you know what to do, but we're creating a wallet. So we're going to create vault. Voila. Sorry, my pixels are kind of lagging. This step will create a private public key pair for the wallet. Choose a name and select create vault to create your Qubic vault. All right, what should we call this one? Balls. All right, 3L sounds good. Create vault. In your Qubic wallet, you can have multiple addresses. Every address consists of a seed, otherwise known as a private key, and a public ID. The seed is needed to send Qubic, and the public ID can be used to receive Qubic. We create now your first address. The name of the account, let's call it Poo-poo. All right. This 55 characters are your Qubic private seed. This is the most important part of it's literally the most important part of creating the wallet, is the private key. All right, store this seed at a secure location, and let me recommend to you, write it down in one place, write it down in another place that's secure, write it down in 2 or 3 places so you have a backup, because that way you'll never lose the funds. If you have the private seed, you never lose your money and no one can ever get to it. Don't save it on your email, don't save it on a text document. It can be extracted by malware. All right, don't do that. Write it down, don't store it digitally. Right. More info on this topic, click the link, blah blah blah. So this is your seed, so write it down. Write down every letter. So don't just write down every letter once. Write it down and double check that you wrote it correctly, right? And then write it down another couple times, right? And then you would have to use your own, randomized seed. Create address. All right. So this is going to be your private key, and this is going to be your public address where you receive receive Qubic and assets. Create. Bada bing. And now you're gonna have to create a password. So let's create a password. I'll choose my own because this is just for examples. This isn't gonna be a real wallet. I'm gonna delete it right after. Kaka. Did I type that right? Yeah. Password is Kaka. Oh, not enough words. Okay. I'll say Kaka twice. That's enough letters. All right. So Kaka twice. Password. Alright, select vault file. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, Christ. Balls, that's where I downloaded it from. Balls.cubic. Select my vault file. That's where I downloaded it. So make sure whenever you download the vault file, you know where you're downloading it, so you know where to search for the file. So yeah, got your password verified, you got your vault file. Now you verify that everything's correct, and boom, your wallet is ready. Open my wallet. Voila. And now I have my wallet. Never. There we go. And you've created your wallet. Maybe I'll make another video on receiving, sending assets and coins. So yeah, good luck. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment or follow me on X and DM me. I'll be happy to help you if you're confused on anything personally. All right, have a good one. Take care. Yeah, I almost forgot. You gotta visit my dude Josh Kirby 710, right, on Twitter or X, right? He recently started a website where you can, it's called kirby's.threadless.com. Let's visit that right now, where you can buy all sorts of Qubic apparel. All this, ooh, sorry, there was a fly in my face. All this shit looks pretty fly. Speaking of fly, what does this say? Don't tread on memes. With the CFB troll face. Nice. What do we got here? Look at these designs. That's hella sick. Yo, we got Saturn dripping. What do we got here? Yo, these are sick ass designs. So yeah, if you like Qubic and you want to get rep Qubic, get some apparel going, visit Kirby's shop, get some cool Qubic gear going, get the community rallied up. All right, enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.